Today, we're talking about 3 key discoveries that came from studying light and how they changed the way we understand both the sun and atoms. 1. Fraunhofer lines, the mystery in sunlight. In 1814, German scientist Joseph von Fraunhofer was studying sunlight when he noticed something strange. The spectrum of sunlight wasn't just a rainbow of colors, it had dark lines running through it at regular intervals. These dark lines are now called Fraunhofer lines, and they're caused by elements in the sun's atmosphere absorbing specific wavelengths of light. This discovery became a cornerstone of spectroscopy, a technique that lets us figure out what elements are present in stars just by analyzing their light. Pretty cool, right? 2. The discovery of helium found in the sun before Earth. Fast forward to 1868, Pierre Janssen, a French astronomer, and Norman Lockyer from the UK were studying the spectrum of the sun during a solar eclipse when they spotted a new spectral line they'd never seen before. Turns out, they had just discovered a brand new element, helium. At first, they thought this element only existed on the sun, hence the name helium, from Helios, the Greek god of the sun. It wasn't until 1895 that helium was finally discovered on Earth. This was the first time an element was discovered outside of Earth, all thanks to studying light. 3. The spectral lines of hydrogen cracking the code of atoms. The final story takes us to 1885, when Swiss mathematician Johann Balmer found a formula to explain the visible spectral lines of hydrogen. Every element has its own unique spectrum, and for hydrogen, Balmer discovered a pattern that explained the specific wavelengths of light emitted when hydrogen's electrons jump between energy levels. This was a major clue that helped later scientists, like Niels Bohr, develop the quantum model of the atom, showing that energy inside atoms is quantized. The spectral lines of hydrogen were key to understanding how electrons behave inside atoms and laid the groundwork for modern quantum physics. Why this matters: light unlocks the universe's secrets. So, what do Fraunhofer lines, helium, and hydrogen spectra have in common? They all show us how much we can learn just by studying light. Whether it's discovering new elements or unlocking the mysteries of atoms, spectroscopy became a powerful tool for scientists, and all thanks to the light we see every day. From the dark lines in sunlight to the first element found outside Earth, these discoveries remind us that sometimes, the smallest details can reveal the biggest secrets of the universe.